Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Composites Challenge award ceremony. But before we begin, over on the other stream, we heard from the great Frankie Sapata in Marseille. I'm here in the studio in Paris. You know where we are. We would love to know where you are. So in the chat, so wherever you are on this planet, whatever time of day or night it might be, let us know. Let us know where you are and what you're doing. And it'd be great for all of us to kind of unite together within the composite industry all together today, right now. Okay, my name is Peter Hopwood and I will be hosting this award ceremony. But remember, straight after this one, we also have another 2 award ceremonies to share with you as well. The Startup Booster, the JEC Group Startup Competition and the Innovation Awards as well. So lots of celebration and lots of winners to get through, just over 60 minutes together. Okay, so what is this competition all about? This is a global competition for PhD candidates sourced and selected really for the quality of their research work in the field of composites. So if you like, it's almost the next generation of composite leaders. So this is how it all went down. This is how it unfolded. We had 10 selected, hand-picked selected PhD students. They pitched their research work in just 5 minutes. In 5 minutes, but listen to this, 5 minutes with just 1 slide. Really difficult to do. I know I couldn't do it. Could you do it? I'm not sure, but they did it. And in fact, we have our winner of this competition. You're probably also wondering, what does the winner actually get? Now, the winner gets a ticket, a VIP ticket for JEC World 2022 right here in Paris next year. But also not tickets, but the door is open and a seat or 2 seats at a snazzy restaurant, a snazzy dinner for 2 at the Restaurant Jules Verne at the heart of the Eiffel Tower. And now, if you haven't been there, I've been there, and believe me, it is very snazzy, very expensive, but very snazzy as well. So whoever you take, they'll certainly be happy. Right, to announce the winner of this competition, I'm going to now bring online with us right now Professor at Centrale Nantes, also a member of the jury as well, Christophe Benetruy. Christophe, are you there?
Yes. Hello, Peter.
Great. Hi, Christophe. I wonder where you are now. I imagine you're in Nantes. Is that right?
Yes, I am.
You are. Right. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. So tell us just quickly, what did you really think of the candidates this year in this competition? Love to hear what you think.
Yeah, I think the 10 finalists have pitched earlier today, and I must say that the decision was not so easy. The finalists did a fantastic job, and they all delivered high standard presentations. And it was difficult to come to mutual agreement, and the competition has been tough between 2 candidates especially. But as a result, all the jury agreed to select the winner, of course, but we would like also to congratulate the runner-up.
So literally you're saying there's not just 1 winner, there's also 2 winners. Right, okay, so for the first time, does that actually mean the snazzy restaurant for 2, that the 2 winners have to go together? I don't know, maybe not, probably not. Okay.
It's up to them.
It's up to them if they want to do that. Maybe they'll get on really well, perhaps, I don't know. Christophe, we would love to hear who the first winner actually is. Would you share with us? Lovely smile, Christophe. It's frozen. We're trying to get you back. I'm sure you're just coming back with us right now. And when he is back, definitely he'll be sharing the winner, the first winner, and, as you just heard, a lucky runner-up as well. So for the first time, 2 winners walk away with the title right now. Christophe, I believe I can feel you coming back. Are you back? Okay, Christophe, I'm not sure if Christophe is actually going to come back. Okay, what we'll do right now...
Sorry, I'm back.
You are back from outer space. Right, Christophe, let us know who the first winner is.
Yes. So the first winner is Geroid Clancy, who is PhD candidate at the University of Limerick in Ireland, with his presentation about spreading of carbon fiber thermoplastic prepreg tapes. And congratulations, Geroid.
Congratulations, Geroid. I believe, Geroid, you're with us right now.
Cheers. Thanks very much, Peter, Christopher.
Wonderful. Where are you right now? I can hear an Irish accent.
I'm
in Ireland.
I'm in Limerick on the west coast of Ireland.
Fantastic. Right. How does it feel to be a winner?
I'm so happy. It's absolutely amazing. As Christoph said, the standard was so high, and realistically, nearly any one of all 10 people could have been a winner. I'd just like to take this opportunity to thank Amal Quaid and Benjamin Duboucher and the jury for all their time they put into this great competition. And I'd also just like to take this opportunity to thank some of the many great people that have helped me the last few years, especially my two supervisors, Professor Paul Weaver and Dr. Ronan Higgins. Their support and guidance was so helpful, and I couldn't really ask for any more. Dr. Daniel Peters from the Technical University of Delft greatly assisted me with all my research over the last few years. The technical staff at the School of Engineering at the University of Limerick, especially David Jones, Joseph Lean and Brian Nestor, they helped me with testing, manufacturing. The Vericomp team and Bernal team, amazing support. I couldn't do without them. And then just finally, my project is just one of many ongoing at the University of Limerick. So if anyone's out there looking for a composite research facility to collaborate with, you will not be disappointed with the expertise and facilities at the University of Limerick. So
wonderful, fantastic. And again, remember, everybody who is watching, Geroid and all the other winners that we see today, you can join up with them, you can start a conversation with them at the digital trade show and really get to know what they're doing. And again, maybe start a conversation that will lead into something more into the future. Geroid, thank you so much. And we'll be keeping a good eye on you and seeing how, over the years, perhaps, of you becoming a real strong leader within the composite industry. Thank you so much.
Hopefully so.
Wonderful. Christoph, you said we have another winner, we have a runner-up. We would love to know who that runner-up actually is. Tell us.
Yes, of course, Peter. The runner-up of the JEC Connect 2021 Composite Challenge is Kelly Chang. She is graduate research assistant at the University of Illinois at Urbana-Champaign in US for a presentation, Autonomous Ailing on Indication of Cracks in Fiber Reinforced Composites. Congratulations, Kelly. Congratulations, Kelly. I can see, I believe it must be you. I'm sure it's you, Kelly. How does it feel being a winner? How does it feel?
Oh, it's amazing. I mean, first of all, I was really honored to have the opportunity to participate in this really fun contest. And then secondly, really truly honored to be named the runner-up, considering how impressive the other presentations were. And I also want to congratulate Geroid for winning the first prize, and also thank the judges for their time and kind praise. I've had a lot of help along the way from the University of Illinois, especially my advisor, Professor Nancy Sotos, and a lot of my collaborators in the Autonomous Material Systems group here at the Beckman Institute at the University of Illinois. So again, I'm really honored, and thank you for this distinction.
Fantastic. It's great to see the new generation coming through, and again, we'll be keeping our ears and eyes open to see how you're developing. And I suppose many of us are also wondering, are you going to have you and Geroid are going to eat at the restaurant in Paris? Sorry, no, I put you on the spot. There's still time. There's still time.
Yeah, we can decide.
Thank you so much. Okay, so Kelly, Christoph, thank you so much. And this wraps up, and Geroid as well, naturally, this wraps up the Composite Challenge award ceremony. And all we need now is for you to just give us a wave and a last photo for this ceremony. There we are. Give us a wave. Wonderful. Thank you so much. And right now, what happens is we move on now to our next award ceremony, which very simply is the Startup Booster 2021. Right, welcome back. We are moving on steadily onto our next award ceremony, and this is the Startup Booster Award Ceremony. So what is the Startup Booster? Very simply, this is the leading startup competition within the composite industry. So every startup pretty much on the planet that's connected with composites, that's connected with the industry, this is the competition they want to be in, because since we've launched in 2017, we have seen the emergence, or fostered the emergence, of more than 500 innovative projects, not just in Europe, not just in America, but also literally across the world as well. This edition here this year attracted no less than 200, actually more than 200 different applications across 30 different countries. So it kind of it's evidence to the fact that it is actually a very credible and a resourceful and innovative competition for startups really sharing their ideas and then taking those ideas forward in the right direction. So what actually happened yesterday, we listened to 20 different big ideas, 20 different startups that were handpicked from those 200, and we now, very shortly, will be sharing with you right now the three winners, the three equal winners. Again, you're probably thinking to yourself, what is actually the prize? What do they walk away with, apart from the grand title of Startup Booster Winner 2021? They also win themselves €3,500 as a financial prize. That's for each of them. And a fully equipped booth at JEC World 2022 right here in Paris next year, which again, this is the kind of prize that can really help these startups, really help these ideas move forward, because it's all about the conversations at the right time and at the right place as well. So intrigued as much as you are really to find out who those lucky three winners actually are. So to announce the first winner, I'm going to invite right now online with us right now one of our jury members and sponsors of this competition as well, Head Manufacturing of Technologies of Composite from Airbus, Jelle Blumoff. Jelle, are you with us? Maybe you are, perhaps not. Okay, Jelle doesn't seem to be with us right now. Is he coming through? He's not coming through. What we'll do right now, we'll actually go over to another one of our winners, and perhaps we'll come back to Jelle to announce that. So we'll move over now to our second winner, and to announce our second winner in order is, again, another one of our jury members and sponsor of the competition, Head of Future Outsider Materials from Daimler, Karl-Heinz Fuller. Karl-Heinz, are you with us? Karl-Heinz, maybe Karl-Heinz and Jelle, maybe they're having a coffee together somewhere, perhaps. I don't know, maybe. I think Karl-Heinz is coming through. Hi, it is good to see you, Karl-Heinz. Hi, how are you?
I'm very fine. I just arrived from my transfer from Stuttgart, so I'm okay.
Good, feeling good?
And thank you very much. Yes, feel good, a little bit in a hurry, but thank you very much for introducing me here, and I'm very pleased to announce this winner.
Before you do that, I just want to ask you a couple of questions. So I'd love you to just share with our audience right now, why innovation? So when we think of innovation, why is it so important for Daimler? What would you say?
Well, for us, the automotive industry is a very much innovation-driven sector, and especially the materials which are represented, the composite from the JEC is an important area for us. And in fact, we are focusing very much for this open innovation approach, which we can see in all the startups worldwide, which are created, and the platform JEC is given us for screening those startups. I think it's the perfect match for us to fill up our pipeline in direction of new materials, in direction of sustainability. And I was very happy screening those in the last 2 days.
Yeah, we were together. We were together yesterday, and I was hosting. You were obviously evaluating. So 20 different startups. I'd love to, without giving too much away. Was it a tough decision? I imagine it was.
Yes, I think we had very good proposals, and our evaluation afterwards, I think we had a very good discussion, but finally I think we found three very good winners of this competition, and I'm happy to support you here on this.
Wonderful, right.
Celebration.
So, Karl-Heinz, we would love to hear, I would love to hear, and everyone else would love to hear, who is one of these three winners. Would you like to share the winner that you have?
Of course, I can share the winner, and I want to make a little bit, what's it called? Spannend. I put some tension in. It's
Build it up,
a company.
Build that tension.
Which is not only working on carbon. It's a company which is working more on the surface. And from my opinion, it's a company, Elemental Coatings, which I want to award in this ceremony.
Elemental Coatings, congratulations. You are one of our three lucky but also well-deserved winners. And I believe Brian Huskinson is actually on the line with us right now. Yes, Brian, you're here?
I am. Can you hear me?
Where are you right now? Let us know.
Down in Texas in the U.S. So
down in Texas in the U.S. Well, down in Texas in the U.S., I guess it's pretty early in the morning there. Am I right?
It is. It's a good way to start the day.
It is. I mean, you wake up and you win an award. Wonderful. How does it feel?
It feels great, and I'm doing fantastic.
Right. Sorry. Carry on.
Sorry, just wanted to say, yeah, it's an honor to be a winner. We're really excited about the products we're developing, and I couldn't be happier to have had the opportunity to talk about our technology and our company in front of leading innovators in the composite space. Certainly want to thank the judges, want to thank the organizers of this event, and our team in Elemental. I look forward to potentially collaborating with some of you here in the composite space, and we'll be around in our Startup Village booth if you want to stop by and talk further. So,
yeah, and also remember, Brian and all of our other winners as well. You don't have to wait till next year. You can actually go straight over to the digital trade show and start a conversation, really learn about all the ideas and what these startups are doing, and start those conversations already. So, Brian, thank you so much. Good luck. See you next year in Paris. Karl-Heinz, thank you so much. As always, a pleasure to see you and a pleasure to see you online, but also in person as well. And I'm sure we'll see each other again next year in Paris as well. So thank you so much. Right, I believe Jelle is actually on the line right now. So Jelle, are you back with us?
Yes, I'm here, if you can hear me.
I can hear you perfectly, and I can see you perfectly as well. Okay. Fantastic. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine. Thank you, Peter.
Great. Yesterday, again, with Karl-Heinz, yesterday was almost like a marathon of 20 big ideas. So lots of ideas coming through. How was it for you? A tough decision to make in the end? Well, actually,
it was a quite well-structured assessment, I would say. And at the end, there was not a huge discussion, but I think we really picked the right one out of it, even though more or less everyone deserved more or less this award. But at the end, we have to limit ourselves. And we mutually selected the three ones.
Airbus, a loyal partner, certainly with this competition. So again, tell us a little bit about, why does Airbus decide to be connected, certainly with this competition in terms of innovation? Love to hear.
Well, we're since a partner since the beginning. I don't know, I think it's the 5th award already. It is important for us really to get connected to innovative solutions, Innovation is very important for our business. It improves the performance of our products and our industrial systems. And we really want to be connected. And as we are a partner, we have a close engagement to innovators that are really pushing the boundaries and defining the solutions of the future. This is a complementary part of our technology scouting that we do. And over the past years, I can say that we have a lot of partnerships established, and I think it's for mutual benefits.
Fantastic. And again, great to hear you've been with us from the beginning. So every year, more and more ideas, more and more development, and looking to continue this partnership certainly for the future as well. But in the meantime, let's hear who that well-deserved lucky next winner is of the Startup Booster competition. Jelle.
Of course, Peter. So the next winner of the JEC Connect 2021 Startup Booster is Compare.
Congratulations, Compare. Congratulations. Wonderful. And I believe Amail is with us right now on the line. Are you there? I can see you. Maybe can't hear you. Maybe unmute, perhaps. We can see you well. We can see you as a winner. Can you hear me? You're looking great, Amail. You're looking like a winner. Maybe not sounding like a winner because we can't hear you. Maybe unmute, perhaps. Your microphone, is your microphone on? It is. Okay. Okay, listen, I'm sure. Okay, we can't hear a thing, but hey, that's okay because you're a winner, and winners don't necessarily have to say anything because they're Can we hear you now? No, nothing. Right, but anyway, you're looking, okay, look up there. Can you hear me? You can hear me. Fantastic. Well, all my advice to you right now is just look like a winner, smile, wave, and again, everybody who's, again, interested and curious about these winners, they can simply go to the digital trade show and find out more about Amail, his ideas, and also our other lucky winners as well. Anyway, congratulations, and we'll be seeing you and speaking to you next year at JEC World 2022. Thank you so much. And again, thanks so much, Jelle, for being a jury member and naturally our innovation partner as well. Right, we move on now to our third winner. We've had our first and second. It's now on to our third winner. And to introduce that third winner, again, another jury member and sponsor and loyal sponsor of the competition from Magnet Exteriors, Mr. Brian Krull. Brian, are you with us?
I am here, Peter. How you doing?
Wonderful. I can see you clearly. I can hear you clearly. I'd love to know. So this is the first year that you're with us as a sponsor, as a partner. Just like to know the word innovation and what you do. Why have you decided to become a partner with us this year? Tell us.
Yeah, certainly. So innovation, obviously, extremely important in Magna. It's one of our top 3 initiatives. We've got a history of starting or supporting startup community, and we're pleased to be part of the competition, the Startup Booster this year. Really wanted to say thank you for having us, as well as thank you to all the startups. Without the trailblazers like them, technology wouldn't be pushing forward at such a rapid pace. It's really very exciting, and it's very exciting to be a part of it and able to present the award today.
Love to hear. Was it a tough decision for you when you were listening to all these ideas and they were coming at us fast? It was almost an overload sometimes, but afterwards, when you sit down and actually look and think about what these ideas can actually move forward into, you probably had a better idea. So was it tough for you? Tell me.
You know, it was difficult. There was a lot of big pitches, whittling it down from 200 ideas down to the 20 that we were able to judge was really great process. I think as part of deliberation today, we had a few clear winners that came to the top, and we're going to present those 3 today. But of course, everybody did a wonderful job yesterday, and it was a great party to be a part of.
Right, Brian, we would love to now hear who is that lucky, well-deserved third winner of the Startup Booster Competition 2021? Let us know.
Of course, Peter. The final winner of the JEC Connect 2021 Startup Booster is Continuous Composites. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Continuous Composites. There you are. That gentleman is there. I've met you before. I think we met in Chicago as the winner of the Startup Booster over there in Chicago a few years ago. I can imagine it's pretty early in the morning for you right now. Am I right?
Yes, sir, Peter. I'm in Coeur d'Alene, Idaho, and it's about 6 a.m. over here. So
right. Well, you're looking. I'll tell you what. You are looking very smart for a man who, I don't know whether you sleep in that, but you look very well for a man who's at 6:30 in the morning. How does it feel? So you're already a winner of the Chicago competition, and now you're a winner of this competition. How are you feeling?
Oh man, it feels fantastic. You know, feel humbled to just be part of the JEC community. You know, since starting the company, this has been the pristine trade show, and for composites, we're honestly just very humbled to be being able to develop a technology like continuous fiber 3D printing that is industry agnostic and disrupting the way you manufacture composites. And this is just an amazing opportunity. I got to give all the credit to our team. They make my job super easy to stand up here and present all their hard work and innovation. And thank you to all the sponsors and the organizers at the JEC show.
Listen, Tano, well done, great work, and again, we'll be seeing you next year. You'll be coming right over here to Paris, where I am right now, at JEC World 2022, and I'm sure you'll be looking as smart as you do right now. Thank you so much, Tyler. And I would just like to say now we're kind of wrapping up the Startup Booster competition. So Jelle, Brian and Karl-Heinz and all our winners, if you could join us back right now as we have one last photograph together saying goodbye and closing up this ceremony. So if you can come back with us right now, if possible. I can feel them coming. There we are. Okay, quick wave. Thank you so much, and we'll be seeing you all again next year, JEC World 2022. Okay, that leaves us now to move on to our third and final awards ceremony. So we've had the Startup Booster, we've had the Composite Challenge. Right now, it's all about the JEC Innovation Awards ceremony. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. As if by magic, a new studio, a new place. We're actually still in Paris. It's just a click of a button, but you can see a completely different virtual studio right now for the JEC Innovation Award Ceremony 2021. So what is this all about? This is an award ceremony that is every year awarded to innovation ideas and concepts, which really rewards the best cutting edge and ingenious projects using composites really to their full potential. So it was actually created quite a while ago in 1998, and the goals of this top level competition are as follows. So really to identify promote and reward the most innovative composite solutions globally across the globe worldwide, and also to encourage companies to really get involved in composite innovation and their partners, and finally to really enhance their public exposure and contribute generally to the advancement of the composite industry indeed. So you can imagine all those things together really make this competition really quite special indeed. And as you can hear, since 1998, every single year moving forward more ideas and really taking this industry in the, in the way forward it really should be going. Over 15 years, the numbers are really impressive. Over 15 years, JEC Innovation Programme has been involved with more than 1,800 companies worldwide, 277 companies and 433 partners rewarded really for their excellence of their composite innovations. Now, we have got 7 different categories, 7 all very diverse and all very different indeed, and I'll just share with you now what these categories actually are. So number 1, we've got aerospace. Number 2, automotive and road transportation structural. Number 3, automotive and road transportation exterior. Number 4, building, construction and infrastructure. Number 5, design. Number 6, equipment and machinery. And finally, number 7, which is, and I'm sure you'll agree with me, what maybe even one of the most important of them all, or going towards that, sustainability. So we've got 7 categories, 7 winners, and I'm intrigued, as I say, as much as you are, really to find out who these lucky, well-deserved winners actually are. Now, this program, this JEC Innovation Program, would not be possible naturally without the support of our partners and also our sponsors as well. So sponsoring this Innovation Award ceremony, Innovation Awards 2021, is KORDSA. Now, before we go any further, I'm just going to share with you right now a short video that just gives you a little bit more of a flavour of what KORDSA is all about. There we are, KORDSA the Reinforcer. And right now, I'd like to welcome right now with us Composite Technologies Director for EMEA at KORDSA, Dennis Korkmaz. Dennis, are you with us?
Hello, Peter.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm very well. I'm doing really good. How are you? Where are you right now?
Istanbul, Turkey. Greetings from Istanbul.
In Istanbul, we're here in Paris. I'm not sure what the weather's like, but I'm sure it's pretty good. Again, so just tell us, I'd love to know a little bit more about KORDSA and why this year you're supporting the Innovation Awards program.
Thank you, Peter. So, ladies and gentlemen, greetings from Istanbul, Turkey again. I'm grateful for the opportunity to welcome you. JEC Innovation Awards ceremony honors smart choices and decisions in innovation and rewards the valuable composite projects worldwide, which have made an immense contribution to the industry and to a better future. Our thankfulness goes to all industries players for their inspiration. While we all inspire each other in the industry, at Corsa, our genuine inspiration comes from everyday life. With our Inspired to Reinforce Life motto, we seize opportunities to touch more corners of life. That is why in the recent years we have focused to expand our area of operations and competencies in the composites field. Our Composite Technology Center of Excellence in Turkey is a high-tech hub driven by the collaborative research and production. With a solution partner approach, the center provides our customers with services such as design, analysis, material library, prototype production in accordance to customer needs, while also developing prepregs, fabrics, and resin formulations, as well as customized and cost-effective composite intermediate materials for a variety of industries like aerospace and automotive, together with sports equipment and marine. On the other hand, in the USA, we focus on the aerospace industry with fabric development and textile products, providing materials for structural parts, with advanced honeycomb technologies providing interior parts, and with axiom materials providing novelty technologies for aerospace engines. Today, we are able to offer advanced composite materials and solutions for the aerospace and automotive industries, as well as the next generation industrial and transportation applications. We are the worldwide qualified manufacturer of oxide-oxide ceramic prepregs, and our reinforcement capabilities reach beyond the world. With the fabric we provide to NASA's Orion spacecraft built to take humans farther than they have ever gone before. Dear guests, as fellow companies of the industry, you all know very well that circular economy, digitalization, sustainability, lightening of the vehicles, eco-friendly solutions are among the top trends of today. As a sustainability-oriented company, Corsa strives to be one step ahead of this agenda. While innovation is the torch that lights our path, we also believe it's our duty to protect the environment and promote sustainability. And therefore, we always embrace new opportunities to create a sustainable future. With this effort, we also build partnerships and work collaboratively with institutions, organizations, companies to meet shared objectives. Our collaboration with British high-volume composite manufacturing company, TRB Lightweight Structures, is one of the latest examples of this mindset. TRB is using Corsa's carbon fiber fabrics for the mass production of their composite battery enclosures for electric vehicles, which is a very critical milestone for a sustainable mobility. Ladies and gentlemen, everyone here knows innovation is a journey that unlocks new potentials, opens new doors, and brings new meanings. JEC World is contributing a lot each year by uniting innovation leaders of composite world and providing us an environment to innovate further. Let us enjoy the event today. Let us congratulate the winners, and let us thank to all who have made this occasion possible. I thank you all for coming together at this ceremony, adding more grace to it. Thank you, Peter.
Dennis, well said, absolutely well said, definitely. And please stay with us, because I believe you're announcing one of the winners a little bit later on. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you a little bit later on. Thank you. Right, we move on now to, you'll be glad to hear, we'll be moving on now to our first category. Our first category is the aerospace category. So this is really dedicated to innovation within aerospace, and to announce the award, to announce the winner, I'd like to welcome with me here in the studio, right here in Paris, the CEO of JEC Group, Mr. Eric Pierjean. Eric is just on his way right now. There we are. Come and join me here. Fabulous. Eric, lovely to see you.
I brought the first of
the
7 awards with me.
It looks good. You look good with that award, actually. You would look good as a winner, I would say.
I don't deserve it. The winners.
Right. Okay, so first of all, the 3 finalists. We would love to know who the 3 finalists are in this aerospace category.
So the three finalists are, for the aerospace category, Toray Carbon Magic from Japan for the development of an ultra-lightweight CFRP solar plane, Sogeclair Aerospace from France for the Optim Floor, which is an integrated composite floor panel, and Icomat from UK for the project Fiber Steer.
So there we have it. We have our three finalists. We know who the finalists are, but we don't quite know who the winner is. You've got an envelope. Inside that envelope, inside that envelope, we know who the winner is. Would you like to share with us who that winner actually is, Eric?
So the winner for the aerospace category is Toray Carbon Magic.
Toray Carbon Magic, congratulations, wonderful. You are the winner of the aerospace category, and I believe right now we have Mr. Oko Akiyoshi on the line, ready and waiting to have a little chat with us and share with us how he's feeling. Are you here, Mr. Oko Akiyoshi? I can feel you. It's a long way to come. I believe this is Japan, so it's not easy. So he's coming through. He's across Asia. Coming over to you. Made it. There we are. Fantastic. Hi.
Hello, Peter and Eric. I'm fine and very excited about this award.
Good to see you. It's good to see you. Fantastic. Where are you right now? Japan.
Me? Hello.
Okay, right. Are you excited? Are you happy to be the winner?
Yeah, thank you.
There we are. Right, we'll leave it just there. Thank you so much. Congratulations and well done on being the winner of the aerospace category. Thank you so much. Right, so thank you, Eric, and thank you, Mr. Akiyoshi, for sharing your thoughts and ideas on why you feel feel excited to win the award. Right. We move on. So, as you can see, naturally, Japan to here, it's not always a good connection, but hopefully we'll see how the others do during this event right now. So, we move on to number 2, automotive and road transportation structural. Remember, this is structural. And to announce the award, to announce the winner of this category, please welcome again, right here in the studio, not remote, right here in the studio here in Paris, the JEC Composite magazine editor-in-chief and head of technical content, Mr. Frank Glowacz. Frank is with me right now, as if by magic, and I have to say, you are the man who is behind the Innovation Awards program. You're not fully responsible for everything, but it's pretty much your idea from the beginning. What have you seen, and how have you felt about this year's candidates? Tell me.
As usual, the level was really high, and. So it was really difficult to sort all the files and to decide who will be the finalists. In the end, I'm pretty sure it was a really hard task for the jury to decide in each category who will be the winner as well. And especially for this year, I think the main thing, the highlight was the fact that everyone is really involved to find solution for the environment now. It's patent.
Absolutely, absolutely. Right. So very shortly we will find out who the finalists are and that lucky winner. But in fact, there's just one other thing I'd like to say. I heard this morning that 14 years ago today, you actually walked into the office of JEC, started work for the JEC Group, and you've been there ever since. Is that right?
Yes. I started as assistant editor, and now I'm editor-in-chief. And for the awards, I've seen, I can count them, but thousands of files.
I'm sure thousands, and you probably had thousands of conversations. You've met thousands of people.
Oh, yeah.
JEC World, you've been to so many as well. So I'm sure you're a very famous man within the company.
I don't know if I'm famous, but still I have the knowledge.
You certainly do after 14 years. So congratulations to the day,
Peter.
14 years. Right, let's hear who the finalists are of the automotive and road transportation structural category.
So the finalists of the automotive and road transportation structural category are Pondus Operations from Netherlands for the Ebusco 3.0 series of city buses, EDAG Engineering from Germany with their reusable vehicle platform made of CFRP. And last but not least, Ford Motor Company from UK for its project Chassis.
There we have it. So we have our 3 finalists. All we need now is the winner. I don't know who that winner is, but in that envelope, that's where the answer is. Let us know.
Yeah. So, good adhesive. So the winner of the category Automotive and Road Transportation is Pondus Operations from Netherlands.
Pondus Operations from Netherlands, congratulations. You are the winner of the Automotive and Road Transportation structural category. And I believe we have on the line right now the Director of Composite at Ebusco Pondus, Edwin van Herpt. Edwin, are you there? You are there. We can see you. You again. You look like a winner. We just can't hear you. Maybe unmute. Maybe microphone. We'll try at our end. You can try at your end. Are we getting through? Perhaps not. Okay. Well, that's absolutely fine. My advice: if you can hear me now, Edwin, just look like a winner, smile, and be happy, as I'm sure you are. So, congratulations on winning this category, the automotive and road transportation structural. Thank you so much. Also, Frank, thank you so much for sharing that. And here's to another 14 years at the JEC Group.
We hope so.
We hope so. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Peter.
Right, we move on now to our next category, which is number 3, automotive and road transportation exterior. This is exterior. And to announce the winner of this category, I'd like to welcome back Dennis Kormaz from Kodsa, who we met earlier on. Dennis, are you there? Dennis, are you there? Great.
Yeah, I'm here. Peter.
Fantastic. Lovely. We would love to know who the 3 finalists are of this category.
Sure, with pleasure. The finalists for automotive road transportation exterior category are Magna International USA for the innovation composite space frame structural reinforcement, Faurecia Germany for the innovation recycled carbon fiber NFPP, and BMW Group Germany for the innovation Mini John Cooper Works GP carbon spats.
So there we have it. We have our 3 finalists. All we need now is the winner. Would you like to share with us who the lucky winner is?
With pleasure. The winner of Innovation Award in the Automotive Road Transportation Exterior category is BMW Group Germany for the innovation Mini John Cooper Works GP carbon spats. Congratulations.
Congratulations, BMW Group in Germany for winning this category, the automotive and road transportation exterior category. I believe right on the line now we have Michael Bechtold. Michael, are you with us? Are you with us, Michael?
I'm with us.
I'm with you. Fantastic, Michael. How does it feel? How does it feel?
I'm very well, and I'm very, very pleased to win this award. We are very excited and surprised, especially if you look on the list of all these JEC automotive finalists and their innovations. So it's such a great honor for us. We are really proud also that the JEC jury esteemed our carbon spats innovations, for example, the usage of recycled carbon fiber material with a new hexi-stitch appearance, which you can see in the background. Also, the haptic-free numbering of every single front bed with a transfer base coat technology, then the bonding of a thermoplastic inner panel with a duroplastic epoxy outer panel, and a few innovations more. All these examples bring us to let me say, a very cost-effective, sustainable, lightweight design for a low volume production with an approximately cycle time of the spats of 3 minutes. These fenders are mounted then to the Mini GP John Cooper Works limited edition, in which it was launched last year. Looking also at the very short development time and to fulfill all the quality standards of an automotive OEM, I have to point out let me say, the team performance and flexibility. Therefore, also the thanks to the BMW team in Munich for development and the program planning, then the plant teams in Landshut, Dingolfing and Wackersdorf, and also our Oxford plant for the assembly, and also our partners. To win this award, I think it's a mutual success of all companies which are in this project. Also, SGL, Carbon.
Absolutely, Michael. That's absolutely fantastic. A great achievement, definitely, and I'm sure many other people to thank as well. Unfortunately, we don't have enough time for that, but well done. Thank you so much. Also, thank you to Dennis for sharing us the winner today of this category, and we look forward to seeing you both, hopefully, at JEC World 2022 next year. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Bye.
Goodbye. Right, we move on now to our next category, moving swiftly through these fantastic categories. And remember, the competition is very, very high indeed. So the winners, they aren't chosen lightly. Right. Category number 4, building, construction and infrastructure, really dedicated to innovations within building, construction and infrastructure category. And I'm pleased to welcome the Manager of Global Business Development at Akonia Construction, Anurag Bansal. Anurag, are you with us?
Hello, Peter.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you. How about you?
Yeah, fantastic. Really, really good here. We're getting through some great winners already and intrigued to hear what you have to say. Would you like to share with us who the finalists are of this category?
Of course, Peter. The finalists are Armacell Benelux for hurricane-proof home from 600,000 recycled bottles, Gatron Inovacio in composites from Brazil for composite frames for slabs, and Apatic Russia for PCM span for railway bridges.
Right, so we have our 3 finalists. Who is going to walk away a winner? Only you know right now who that winner is.
It's a pretty difficult question, yeah.
Yeah, okay, lovely. Let us know.
Great. So the winner is Apatic Russia for PCM span for railway bridges.
Congratulations, Apotec from Russia. Apotec from Russia, you are the winner of the building, construction and infrastructure category. And I believe we have on the line right now, direct from Russia, Dr. Audrey Ushavkov. Is that right? Doctor, are you there?
Yes, of course. I'm very, very lucky.
Where are you right now? Where are you, Doctor? Where are you right now?
In
Moscow.
Moscow.
And how are you feeling?
Yep.
How do you feel as a winner?
Very good. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's an unusual experience, to be honest. I very appreciate for your news that you give me now.
Wonderful. It's great to know you're feeling good. We're feeling good. And hopefully that feel-good feeling will continue throughout this event as well. Thank you so much. And hopefully, again, we'll see you maybe next year at JEC 2022. Cheerio. Bye-bye.
Okay. I very appreciate you. Thank you.
Bye-bye. Right.
Bye.
Not halfway through, more than halfway through, actually. We're on category number 5. This is all about design, all about innovations within design. And pleased to welcome with us right now the Business Development of Advanced Industry and Systems at Swarco, Mr. Robert Bushinger. Robert, are you with us? I think I can feel Robert coming through. There we are. I was right.
Hello, I'm here.
Hi, Robert. Where are you right now?
I'm in Austria in our Glass Bead Technology Center in Amstetten. I'm glad to be with you today.
Fantastic.
Thanks for
and
inviting.
we're glad you're with us as well. And we would even be gladder when you share with us the 3 finalists of this category.
With pleasure, Peter. So the finalists for this category are Toray Carbon Magic from Japan with the project Large Scale Lighting Floating in the Air, and Amacel Benelux with Lunark Moon Habitat, and Mobile from Germany with the project Carbon One and K2 smartphone.
Robert, all we need now to know is one simple thing. We just need to know who that lucky winner is. Tell us.
Yes, so the winner of the JEC Connect 21 Innovation Award in the design category is Carbon Mobile from Germany with the project Carbon One MK2 smartphone. Congratulations.
Congratulations, Carbon Mobile from Germany. Well done. You are the winner of this category, of the design category for the awards innovation idea for this year, 2021. I believe Firas is on the line, ready and waiting to share with us exactly how he's feeling. Firas?
Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Peter. Hi, Robert. Can you hear me?
Hi.
How's it feel being a winner?
I'm doing great. I feel so great. I'm super excited for this award. We are a startup. We're so proud for this recognition by the jury of JEC. To be compared and compete against industry leaders in innovation is really an amazing feeling. And I'm so proud of what we achieved over the last 5 years of R&D and development. I want to thank our partners, including Lanxess Group and our investors making this innovation happen. And of course, believing in our vision. In fact, we're also so grateful for JEC. When we first visited the event back in 2017, we were really inspired by the innovative projects and applications from space, mobility, and other industries, and also allowed us to meet a lot of the potential partners and suppliers. And this, of course, influenced and helped us on our design thinking and made the world's first carbon fiber monocoque smartphone a reality. Our mission at Carbon Mobile is really to set the future standard for consumer electronics through sustainable high-performance materials, and to offer lighter, thinner, stronger, and greener technology of tomorrow. From the start of the project, we know we had big challenges to face, which is coming from mechanical limitation of the materials, electrical, thermal, RF radiation, stiffness, scalability. These are issues that all reasons why no other manufacturer made this a reality before. And after 5 years of R&D, we managed to develop our revolutionary honeycomb technology. And by fusing carbon fiber with complementary composites, we could create not only the incredible lightweight and strong structures, but also truly composite-based connected devices. It's definitely the smartest and only composite-based device that you can carry in your pocket today, actually. And composites has been really driven innovative for many decades. And the era of sustainable high-tech performance materials in smartphone and connected devices is here, and we're just getting started. Winning the JEC Award 2021 is a great proof of our vision. And thank you so much for having us here.
That's wonderful, wonderful to hear that. And again, remember, everybody that's watching this, you're hearing lots of winners, you're hearing lots of ideas, and I'm sure you're curious, you'd like to know more. All you have to do is go over to the Digital Trade Show, and you can find everybody that's a winner here. Even if they're not winners but finalists, you can talk to them, you can connect with them, and start conversations that will, develop and move forward. As the same, like Firas said, he came to JEC World in 2017. From then on, it just spiraled and developed and certainly moved forward. So thank you so much. Firas, thank you so much for sharing that with us. And naturally, Robert in Austria for announcing the winner of this category. Thank you so much. We move on. We move on now to our next category, and this is category number 6, the equipment and machinery category. Equipment and machinery. And to announce the winner of this category, again, I invite a guest to join me right now here physically in the studio here in Paris, the JEC Composites magazine deputy editor from the JEC Group, Mr. Antoine Morel. Antoine, it's great to have you here. It's great to have anybody physically here in front of me. So fantastic. Nice to have you with us right now. We would love to know the 3 finalists for the equipment and machinery category.
The finalists for the equipment and machinery category are SWMS Systemtechnik Ingenieurgesellschaft from Germany for Kaiser, a holistic optimization tool for UD layups. Schmidt and Heinzmann from Germany for the next-gen SMC line, and Anybrid from Germany too for CFRP-based robotized injection molding machine.
Right, so those are our 3 finalists. We don't know who the winner is. In your envelope, you've got the answer in that envelope right there. Let us know who the winner actually is.
So here we go. The finalist, the winner for the equipment and machinery category is Anybrid from Germany.
Anybrid from Germany, congratulations. You are the winner of this category, the equipment and machinery category for 2021. I believe on the line right now we have Michael Klein. Michael, are you with us? Michael, I think I can feel Michael coming through. There we are. There we are.
Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm very well. Thank you. And we are very excited that we have won this award. So this is a big honor for us at Anybrid and our partners from the Technical University of Dresden. So I first want to thank the JEC and especially the jury for recognizing the potential of our novel mobile injection molding technology. And with our lightweight machine, we wanted to show that composites are not only useful in aviation or in automotive applications. So in our view, intelligent use of high performance composites can lead to breakthrough innovations in equipment and machinery too. So for us at Anybrid, we are a young startup from Dresden in Germany. So the JEC award shows that we are on the right track now, and we are convinced that in few years the Robin technology will be an important part of in the production in a wide range of industries. So I want to thank our partners, the Institute of Lightweight Engineering and Polymer Technology from the Technical University of Dresden. The institute is the origin of our startup Anybrid. And all our colleagues and the institute management, they believed in us and our idea from the day one. And in addition, I want to thank the EXIST funding from German federal government in Germany. So they support us to transfer our technology in industrial application. So this award is very important for us because it helps us to promote our new technology and to get in touch with new customers. So therefore, once again for this award.
Wonderful, and I'm sure you're right. And you know what? You're actually absolutely right for every single one of our winners as well. Winning an award, certainly in this awards is certainly important to all of them, because certainly over the years, this has actually helped them with their exposure. It's helped them start conversations perhaps they wouldn't have normally done before. So congratulations once again, Michael, and again, maybe we'll see you at JEC World 2022. Thank you so much. And also, Antoine, thank you for being with us here in the studio, announcing the winner as well. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now on to the very last category of the very last awards. So we move on from equipment machinery to sustainability. And again, for many, this will be certainly a category that stands out perhaps a little bit more than some of the others, because certainly in today's world, this is a very important topic. It's a very important idea and a concept that we have to keep thinking of and using the innovative ideas that we have certainly within the industry, taking that forward. Right, so I'm pleased to welcome the person who's actually going to announce the winner of this category, of the sustainability category, number 7, the chairman of the board of JEC Group, Mr. Michel Cognier. Michel.
Hi, Peter. How are you?
Hello. Lovely to have you with us. Where are you right now, I wonder?
Well, I am in France, in the eastern part of France.
In the
close to
eastern
Switzerland.
part of France. Wonderful. We're here in Paris. You're there in the eastern part of France, and we would love to hear who the 3 finalists are of the sustainability category.
So yes, Peter, the finalists are Green Boat from Germany for green nacelle, first offshore nacelle out of natural fiber. Then Covestro, Germany again, for PU-based composite for offshore wind rotor blades. And the ultimate boat company from the UK for Danu, a sustainable and recyclable composite.
So there we have it. We have our 3 finalists. Again, we don't know who the winner is, but Michelle, you know exactly who that. Well, it's in the envelope. Maybe you've opened it or not. But Michelle,
Well,
let us know. Let us know.
I don't have an envelope, so I don't know.
You don't have an envelope,
So
but it's
the
in front of
winner-
you. Michelle, let us know who the winner is.
So the winner of the JEC Connect 2021 Innovation Award in the sustainability category is Covestro, Germany, for PU-based composite for offshore wind rotor blades.
Covestro, Germany, well done, congratulations. You are the winner of the sustainability category for 2021. And I believe right on the line right now, we have Dirk Soengens. Dirk Soengens, ready and waiting to share with us his delight on being a winner. Dirk, are you there?
Hello, yeah, can you hear me?
We can hear you, we can see you, we can see your smile. Where are you right now, by the way?
I'm in Brussels, by the way.
In Brussels. So Dirk's in Brussels. How are you feeling right now, being the winner of this category?
Well, I think, Peter, thank you for setting the scene for the importance of sustainability, and also thank you both for recognizing and organizing this event. I'll spend a couple of minutes or seconds indeed just about the case. Sustainability is at the heart of many companies, but definitely of Covestro's. Yeah? So Covestro takes it as an honor, but also as its responsibility to deliver on the circular economy vision. Yeah? Enabling growth for the global wind industry is just one of the company's major goals. Yeah? So innovation across technologies and across applications can be highly impactful, as we demonstrate in this innovation recognition. You know, so our collective effort enables higher annual energy production and also lower energy costs, yeah, while we remove roadblocks for the industry to grow. As any award ceremonies, I think it's appropriate that I recognize the contributors for this case, which I'd like to thank the contributors from our friends at Trelleborg in the United Kingdom, Covestro's coatings team in China, and also Covestro's polyurethane resin experts in Germany. The unique resin or polyurethane resin delivers process benefits and enhances the performance of wind blades. Yeah? So the productivity and the mechanical properties of the resin system in the composite provides the opportunity to also design longer and more durable blades. Polyurethane-based coatings provide long-lasting protection from the environment, which is even more relevant for offshore wind applications. And Trelleborg demonstrated the performance of its radar-absorbing material in a polyurethane-based composite for wind blades. So collectively, we make a difference. So thank you for recognizing us for the JEC Sustainability Innovation Awards.
Fantastic. I couldn't have agreed with you more, and such a great way to end this this award ceremony, certainly with the sustainability category. So thank you so much, Dirk. Thanks a lot for being with us right now. Naturally, Michelle, thank you also for announcing the winner as well. But before we go, I'd just like to ask everybody else, all the winners and all our announcers to join us here on the screen. But before we go, just a few things just to highlight before we end our JEC Connect 2021 experience for this year. First of all, good news, because naturally we were scheduled just to have yesterday and today in terms of content. But guess what? we're actually having one more day until tomorrow evening. So you can continue to enjoy the content, use this content as a resource, use the content even as a way to connect. So remember, the digital trade show, all the winners, all the finalists from all of the competitions, you can reach out to and start a conversation as well. Also, remember, anything you've missed, lots of the content, not all of it, but lots of the content will be available online as well. So you can sift through that in the weeks and months ahead. And you know, anything you really have missed, you can find online and enjoy it as well. But finally, when I say the words to you, when I say the word experiment, this is quite a familiar word within the composites industry, and you'll agree with me. And it's really an experiment in what we're doing here right now over the last couple of days. This is completely new. We've never done this before. Usually it's a big trade show. A trade show we know how to do, and we know how to do well, and we've been doing it well for many, many years. This is different. This is new. We haven't done it before. It's new for me. It's new for the team. It's new for everybody who works in the JEC group. But, you know, as everything, we want to do better. We want to make it bigger, stronger, and move forward in the future. So we really need your help in just giving us your feedback, telling us what you think was good, what you think we could improve on, to make sure the experience, whatever it is, whether it's a trade show experience or an experience just like this in a studio in Paris, beaming out to the world on how we can move forward. With that, all I can say is thank you so much. It's been a pleasure. My name's Peter Hopwood. Hopefully I will see you perhaps on a stage in real life, wherever you are, hopefully at JEC World 2022 next year here in Paris. But until then, I say goodbye, and everybody else that has joined us here as well. So thank you so much, and we'll see you again at JEC World 2022.